Actually is on matters livestock. Over 1.2 million livestock have been targeted for free mass livestock vaccination in Wajir County. Officials from the county livestock and veterinary department say the vaccination will prevent diseases and cushion livestock farmers from heavy losses. Ahmed Hussain reports.
A pre-vaccination disease surveillance report carried out in Wajir County in the month of September 2020 showed sporadic prevalence of PPR, CCPP and SGP diseases in herds and flocks. The three diseases, according to livestock experts, have a huge impact on sheep and goats due to the prevalence in the region, prompting the county government of Wajir to roll out a month-long mass vaccination campaign targeting 1.2 million livestock.
Wajir County, with partnership with KESAP, we're planning to vaccinate 1.2 million sheep and goat. We're also planning to treat and deworm these animals. So we came here to monitor and supervise the program. We're very optimistic that the entire 6 sub-counties will be covered.
Kila mbuzi na kila kondoo inapata chanjo mbili, moja ya PPR na ingine ya sheep and goat pox, alafu inapata dewormer, ile gorean, ile ya minyoo.
Vaccination is carried out in vaccination parks set up by pastoralists, allowing for the immobilization of animals so that trained veterinary officers can carry out the vaccination.
Hatuwezi tembelea kila mtu mahali anaishi. So tunaenda mahali ambayo ni central, mahali ambayo watu wamekubaliana hii ni water point, na hata kama water point kama hii Endero umeona ni kilomita kadhaa, tunaenda tunauliza mnajenga mboma wapi ambayo ni central, ambayo kila mtu anaweza leta mifugo yake.
In arid and semi-arid counties where livestock production accounts for 80% of the economic activity, these diseases threaten livelihoods and food security. The county livestock department urging members of the public, and in particular the pastoralists, to continue presenting their livestock for vaccination in the respective vaccination sites.
We are determined to vaccinate and treat our animals. The individuals who are also consuming this product will also be taken care of.
The project, carried out in partnership with the Kenya Climate Smart Agricultural Project, aims to build resilience and increase livestock productivity through vaccination, deworming and treatment.
The project, Kenya Climate Smart Agriculture Project, is supporting pastoralists in terms of building their resilience and increasing livestock productivity through vaccination.
The county has so far completed the first phase of the vaccination, with officials from the veterinary department having just returned to conclude the remaining 15 days of work. Ahmed Hussain, KTN Business.
The state has rolled out the long-awaited public service superannuation scheme that will see civil